Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time visiting my channel, my name is Felix. I'm a YouTube content creator from Indonesia, and today I'll be reacting to this. The requester said that this is Diana's performance of Blizzard, if I'm not mistaken, again in but the a year after, like this is a year after, because if I'm not mistaken, you guys states after she won the season 2 or something, she go again for the Grand Prix, and maybe she performed this song a year in the Grand Prix after she performed it. But I know, but I can't wait to be surprised, to be shocked, and to scream, and just to be shocked and gasp alongside her performance. So without further ado, let's go, let's check, let's react. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Yep, Blizzard. Lyrics, yep, right. Blizzard. It's a year after. Blizzard. Okay, this is a Grand Prix. Somewhere out there on the other side of the window, winner stalks the land. Ooh. Damn, she is so beautiful with the white gown and everything. Damn, the way she produced her vocals are just so incredible. Wow, but it's a sad song. Oh my god. I can relate more with the subtitle. Somewhere out there, the silent February roams. Oh, somewhere without me, you will never know. Oh, the notations. Damn, the falsetto. Okay. White shroud upon my boat. Ooh. Wow. The control over here, the control. By the way, the plane gone and everything. Wow, the visuals. Man, Diana needs to be concentrated of singing the vocals while turning according to the dancer as well. Wow, this is just amazing. The dress are being carried out and everything, and she needs to control, need to separate her concentration on the vocals, dancing, feelings, and the way of playing with the dress. Wow. Wow, Diana Ankudinova, you are an amazing singer indeed. The vocals, the insane control, the growth over a year, you have grown more mature, but actually without that growth, without the gap of the year, I still believe that she is indeed an amazing singer, because as far as I reacted previously, it's still on the HTV, like it's still on the year before this. Okay, and I've said like, wow, she's already dope, she has this, that, this, and those comments are full of compliments, mostly are compliments. So like it will not be making any sense if I would critique her, unless she really make a major mistake, or she really make a mistake that I noticed. But so far for me, it's cool, it's good, it's vocally amazing, and I see really an improvement. Like she needs to control vocals, she needs to dance, she needs to really be the Diana that people are expecting her to be. That's that for me. I know if that is mentioned by other reviewer or other reactor, But for me, it's not only the matter of vocals. It's not the matter of like choreography. It's not the matter of the way she immersed to the song. It's not the matter of how she act only. She needs to maintain all that. Okay, taking that on note. That's first. Second, she needs to be able to concentrate on really maintaining, on really reaching the expectation of the audience, the people who see her previously on the talent search, on the NTV, on the HTV. Like, she needs to maintain that, but at the same time she needs to, like, if she can stay at that bar, stay at that minimum level, or even go beyond it. And you need to know how much pressure that is at a Grand Prix, and she needs to do that. That's the first. Also, and she needs to be concentrate on moving, and also shifting, because of the dancer and all the additional the additional artists there need to play with her long dress and everything, and she needs to be like concentrate while she turning around like 360 degrees, while she needs to maintain the control, the consistency. The feelings can't drop a bit, but the feeling can't drop even a little bit, but she really can control all that. And it is in a Grand Prix, man. The pressure, the thing, the overwhelming nervousness at such a young age, and she needs to tone all that down, and she needs to still crush the performance. Wow, it's really an amazing job, an amazing feat of Diana to do that. And for me, this is something worth to be mentioning, because she is just so dope at this. At such a young age, she executes such an amazing feat in the stage. So I guess this will be quite it. I have no further comments, and we'll be meeting soon enough in the next reaction video. Bye!